Hi, good afternoon. I'm Jen Ahearn-Koch, Mayor of the magnificent city of Sarasota. Thank you all for joining us this afternoon as we continue to learn from local and national experts on a variety of topics woven throughout the theme of transforming to new ways forward. As an attendee of this workshop in past years, I'm happy to see it continue to grow and evolve as our community continues to work toward and emphasize sustainability. And I'm proud to say that the city of Sarasota continues as a leader in sustainability throughout our region. Our bold commitment around renewable energy, extensive planning, and focus on equity and inclusion motivates us to continue to lead in these areas for years to come. I would like to highlight just some of the sustainability efforts being conducted by the city of Sarasota and our partners. Our recently established single-stream recycling program revealed an 85% success rate, meaning, of course, that 15% of the recycled materials collected were contaminated. So while the state average is much higher than 15%, the city will focus on this area of improvement through community outreach and other efforts. A recent citywide greenhouse gas emissions inventory showed a reduction of 7.1% from 2015 and a 33% reduction since 2003. The City of Sarasota's St. Armand's parking garage earned a silver level ParkSmart International certification for sustainability, becoming the first municipally owned parking garage to do so in the world. This certification includes efforts like the solar PV system that offsets 42% of the building's energy, 99.8% of construction materials being regionally sourced, using 76% local labor, and 87.5% of waste produced diverted from the landfill. The city's Community Canopy program recently gave 375 free trees to residents for a program total of 1,000 free trees given to residents, providing over 51 million gallons of filtered stormwater and 6.5 million pounds of carbon sequestered. In a partnership with Sarasota County and the Recycling Partnership, a water goat was installed on Hudson Bayou. This is a trash prevention device that will be maintained and monitored by the high school students and is a small but impactful and collaborative educational opportunity. The city is working with the nonprofit Sunshine Community Compost to support neighborhood compost stations within adjacent city parks. This is an important effort to raise awareness and educate the community about the value of composting. Collecting over 800 pounds of food waste per month, we have diverted it from the landfill and reintroduced it into our soils. The city was awarded a $10,000 grant from the National League of Cities to conduct racial equity and resiliency training for the city management, directors, and elected officials. A $30,000 grant was received to professionally produce 4 short videos of community members who are impacted by climate change and share their implementing solutions. The city created Partners for Green Places, a successful grant program providing energy audits and energy upgrades to 9 nonprofits. This program leveraged over $550,000 through incredible partnerships with Forensic Foundation, Gulf Coast Community Foundation of Sarasota, and Sarasota County, UF, IFAS, and Sustainability, and many others. Thank you again to all the organizations here today. Sharing your passion, time, and expertise with this community is of utmost importance, and we value that. Thank you to the attendees for being involved in this important issue and for taking the time to learn from each other. Only by working together can we understand and hope to address many of the issues facing us all. Events like this bring us together toward a common goal. They energize and inspire us to keep doing all we can to make even a tiny bit of difference, because it's the collective tiny bits that coalesce to create real impact. Thank you and have a wonderful rest of your conference.